Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna's Cauldress. This video is dedicated to the secretary bird. The secretary bird got its name from its distinctive appearance, which resembles an old-fashioned secretary with quill's pen tucked behind their ears. Its crest of feathers on its heads looks similar to the quill pens, hence the name secretary bird. Here are few lesser known facts about the secretary bird. Secretary birds primarily hunt on foot, stomping on their prey with powerful kicks. They are known to eat a variety of prey, including insects, small mammals, reptiles, and even other birds. These birds can reach impressive heights of up to 4 feet, which means 1.2 meters tall, making them one of the tallest birds of prey in the world. Secretary birds have long, strong legs adapted for walking long distances and delivering powerful strikes to their prey. In captivity, secretary birds can live up for 20 years or more. With their typically hunt alone or in pairs, secretary birds are also known to gather in groups during the breeding season or when food is abundant. They construct large nests made of sticks and leaves, usually built in thorny acacia trees for protection from predators. Despite their large size, secretary birds are skilled flyers capable of soaring for long distances when necessary. These unique characteristics make the secretary bird a fascinating and formidable predator in its habitat.